Students, here we are in the Project Success Book 5 digital textbook, and we are in Unit 4, Lesson 1, and we are on, you can see page 49 up here. This is a grammar lesson. So today we'll study object plus infinitive after certain verbs. So let's look at the grammar rule here. We use an object plus an infinitive after verbs of either permission or obligation, such as allow and force. And then we can create and form the negative by placing not between the object and infinitive. I told him not to come in tomorrow. So these are a couple important rules to remember about this advanced grammar. So in this chart, you can see columns: subject, verb, the object, and then the infinitive. She wants him to work in her department. I told him to come in tomorrow. He invited them to attend the conference. I have warned her to be more careful. Okay. She wants him to work in her department. Is this a permission or an obligation? It's kind of like an obligation. I told him to come in tomorrow. This is an obligation. He invited them to attend the conference. It's kind of like an permission. And then I have warned her to be more careful. This is an obligation. So you've got the grammar rule, then you have this very good structure of the grammar chart. And now it says, see page 156 for a list of verbs that are followed by object plus infinitive. So there's two ways to go to page 156. You can click on this link, or you can type up here page 156. So let's do that. So here we are, and this is a page of grammar references. Please scroll down to Unit 4, Lesson 2, page 49. So these are the different verbs followed by object plus infinitive in alphabetical order. Allow, ask, authorize, encourage, expect, forbid, force, get, invite, order, permit, require, teach, tell, want, and warn. Okay, so that's a list of verbs in English that follow that grammar structure. So let's go back to page 49. I'm going to type in the number 49 and return there. And you can see the practice. Complete the paragraph and unscramble the words. Ben is the mailroom manager at a small company. He asked the human resources manager to assign an intern to the mailroom. All right, then number 2, here are the words that you can unscramble. The intern wanted to help. He wanted the intern to help him sort and deliver packages. Okay, you see how we do this practice? All right. So at the bottom of the page here are a couple great questions. Talk about 2 things that someone expected or permitted you to do. Then talk about 2 things that you asked or told others to do. So here's 2 examples. My boss expected me to work overtime every day. Expected me, that's the object me, infinitive to work overtime every day. Then over here, permitted to do, I asked my daughter not to come home late. And this is also in the negative with the word not. So asked is the verb, my daughter, and then to come home late, that's the infinitive, to come home. All right, so this was a brief lesson for our grammar practice in Project Success Level 5, Unit 4, and Lesson 1. Thanks for watching. We'll see you online.